Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Microsoft has admitted structural adjustments in the wake of a report suggesting the US tech firm had cut around 1,000 jobs this week. The layoffs affected less than 1% of Microsoft's total workforce of around 221,000. UK inflation is back in double digits after soaring food and drink prices sent September's annual rate to an equal 40-year high of 10.1%. It adds to pressure on the Bank of England to announce another big hike in interest rates when policymakers meet early next month. Staked Ether withdrawal and lower gas fees are some of the developments expected with the next critical developments for the Ethereum network, the Shanghai upgrade. The testnet version, dubbed Shandong, is now live.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's employment change will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's national consumer price index at 2330 GMT. The UK's GfK consumer confidence at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.